crypto.
This is the underground crypto back at it again. My, oh my, oh my, oh my. The market's on fire. The bull run has begun. Oh my goodness. And Stellar the sleeping giant. We're going to look at that. Stellar past 11 cents. What was I saying a couple of videos ago? Load up those bags. Load it up. Because the bull run was getting warmed up. The rocket ship was getting ready. We're going to look at the crypto market because this is unbelievable. Right now, Bitcoin closing in on 20,000. Closing in. Ethereum look like it's going to 700 pretty soon. XRP, I know the XRP community, the family is happy with this. Some exchanges are showing XRP already at 50 cents. Right? Chainlink making its way back up to $20. And the sleeping giant Stellar now number 15. Right? Market cap 2 billion. So this is great right here. And Stellar XLM back in the last bull run was one of the top 10. So for us to get back to the top 10, we're going to have to knock out Cardano is what it looks like. But for us to do that, we got to hit 4 billion. I think we can do that. There's a lot of big players in the top 10 right here. But the sleeping giant Stellar can do that. Right? So today we're going to talk about how it's not too late to still come into the crypto space and make money. The bull run hasn't gotten to nowhere near the all-time highs of 2017, 2018. Right? So it's not too late. So we're going to look at that. We're going to look at potentially how you can 10x, 100x with Stellar and how you can make some money with CoinMarketCap. Right? So they're doing a giveaway right now. All right, so let's look at Stellar a little bit more because the market is red hot. Looks like a lot of new investors are in the space. PayPal, you can now buy crypto from PayPal. A lot of institutions are buying PayPal and others. And there's a lot of FOMO going on. A lot of FOMO. Right? So right now, the market cap for Stellar XLM, 2 billion. Right? So it's 11 cents. So for us to 10x, what that means is this market cap has to get to 20 billion. Right? And that would drive the price to $1, over $1. Now to get it to 100x, that's a little bit more long term. We're talking a market cap of 200 billion. 200 billion. That'll be around $11. So let's see what's 200 billion at this point. So Bitcoin has a market cap of 346. Ethereum 62. So nowhere else we're close. 200 billion market cap. Right? But the good thing is we're still early. There's trillions of dollars all over the place. Trillions of dollars. And that money is moving. It's moving into the crypto space. Trust me. Right? We were looking at 400 billion the other day. Now we're at 541. We're going to make it to 1 trillion. So by the time we get to, I would say 2-3 trillion is where potentially we can get to 50x, 100x for Stellar. But it's not too late. It's still cheap. Still at 11 cents. Right? For those in XRP, you know, it was at 25 cents, 30 cents for a while. Then boom, it's at 50 cents. So now it takes twice as much to get a good return. But for Stellar XLM, that's not the case. Right? We're up 28%, but there's still a lot of room to run. A lot of room. And it's still cheap. I can't believe it. Right? So not financial advice, but, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. But this is the sleeping giant, Stellar, and we're going to wake up. Like I mentioned, we're going to wake up and we're going to see this at 11 cents. Next thing you know, it's going to be 20 cents, 30 cents. The high of the last bull run was 78 cents. We're going to shatter that. We're going to shatter. Because Stellar's XLM is a lot bigger now. Their use case is a lot bigger. They're being used by so many companies. They're being utilized in Africa, all over the world. They power the world. So it's not too late. All right, so we're going to look at a giveaway that CoinMarketCap.com is doing, right? So if you log into or sign into CoinMarketCap.com, there's going to be a pop-up. It's going to say Bitcoin price prediction. So if you can make a prediction of when Bitcoin will hit 20,000, I think that will happen. My prediction is end of next week, the way things are going. You never know. It could be a pullback, but I would say end of next week. You can win a share of 10,000 in Bitcoin. So how does this work? So you have to log into CoinMarketCap, create an account. All right, that's first. The second, looks like you have to bind your account ID to CoinMarketCap ID. So I know some in the US, this is not possible. So it may be Binance.us. So that's one thing that has to be checked on. It says Binance account. So is it Binance.us? So this is something that I'm going to look into. So I'm going to try it out because I'm going to make a guess of next week, end of next week. And I'll see if this works. I'll let you know in the next video if this works. Next step is the time slot. So you enter 3 time slots that you think Bitcoin will hit 20,000. So this is where they're going to look at Binance and see when it hits 20,000. When they do that, whoever predicts it correctly, those time slots, they'll get a share of BTC to be won, right? First place, 2,000 in Bitcoin. Second place, 1,500 in Bitcoin. Third place, 1,000, and then 5,500 in Bitcoin distributed evenly. This event will end either of the following happens first. When either of the following happens first. The date Bitcoin hits 20,000 or January 19, 2021. This isn't going to happen in 2021. This is happening this month. If it's not this month, then it's early next month. Right? So here's another chance where it's not too late. It's not too late. It's not too late to win some Bitcoin. It's not too late to get some Stellar XLMs. The sleeping giant. Right? And it's not too late to get into the crypto space. Because we're still early. We're still early in this. Still early. XRP still cheap. Chainlink, that went up a bit. Cardano still 13 cents. So these are still discounts. Years from now, they're going to be like, what? You had this at 13 cents, 11 cents? Because it's going to be worth dollars. It's going to be $1 a coin for Stellar. So it's not too late. Also, it's not too late for the 500 XLM giveaways. So we're giving away 500 XLM coins. To enter, subscribe and like the video and you'll be entered. I hate to give away 500 XLMs now with the price the price going up, but that's what it is. So I'm giving away 500 XLMs. Also in December, a Ledger Hardware Nano wallet to keep your coins offline because there's going to be a lot of hackers. They're going to be swarming with the Bitcoin prices, Stellar prices rising. So that we're giving away that in December. So a lot of giveaways. CoinMarketCap's giving away. The Underground Crypto is giving away. All right. So let me know when you think Stellar will make these new highs. or break the new high. The high was 78 cents. Let me know when you think it will get to 20 cents. Break the 78 cents. Let me know when you think Bitcoin will hit 20,000. Share it in the comments. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks a ton for watching. Stand clear of the closing doors. The next stop for Stella is the moon.
We don't have that much competition. They would use Stellar to make their payments faster.